Hey gang, Sally here. Hope you're having an amazing and fascinating day. I know I am. And yeah, I am trying to step up my game a little bit, bring up another, level of photography, and I'm really working on the audio, although I'm not actually doing it at this moment. So it's just native audio. Let's get busy with an unboxing so I can show you what I got. Cut the top flap because I wasn't sure what was going to be in here exactly. So we're going to open this up. We're going to start right here. So first up, I got a little accessory. We'll come back to that. Oh, here's another little accessory. We'll come back to that. Here's the main event. And what we have here is an Osmo Pocket 3. So I've been hanging around with my friend Rob. Check out his channel at Dottie Travels with Dottie, on YouTube. And he bought one of these a little while back, and I've been pretty fascinated by it. I love the whole gimbal concept. I tried using a gimbal for my phone a couple of years ago, and I didn't like it. It was big, it was heavy, it was hard to carry around, but this thing is minuscule. And I think that the video quality is amazing. So I'm hoping that this is going to be small enough and simple enough that I won't have any issue carrying it around. Now, of course, I'm recording this on my iPhone, and my iPhone Pro does a great job of recording, and it's always with me. Well, except for last night. I'll have to put a link to that video up here in the corner someplace and tell you what happened last night. This big RB on the box means it's a refurnished unit. I think RB maybe means rebuilt to DJI. But let's open it up and see what we got here. So we're going to start with the main box. If I can get my little implement in here. And I guess I should actually talk to you about this guy too. I think I'll do a whole other video on that. So, refurbished unit, what does that really mean? Very likely what it means is that somebody bought it, decided they didn't like it for whatever reason and returned it, or maybe there was a problem and the unit has been gone over completely, retested and so forth, and DJI gives it a full warranty as if it were a brand new unit. But refurbished units on DJI's website are up to 20% off of whatever the regular price is. So I got this for a little bit cheaper than the regular price, and again, Rob talked me into getting the extended warranty, which normally I wouldn't buy. But basically for $55 you buy the extended warranty, and with the extended warranty you get to replace it up to 4 times in a 2-year period at a cost of $35, pretty much regardless of what happens to it. And this is not an inexpensive little gizmo here. So let's see what we got in this box. Okay, well this is going to be the cover that holds the gimbal in place when you're not actually using the camera. And one of the things that I know for sure from my DJI drone is that you do want to make sure that you remove this before you activate the gimbal. So you take the cover off before you activate the gimbal, just saying. And I bought the Creator Bundle, which includes an additional microphone. Now, I already have 2 DJI microphones. Now I have 3. This one does not come with a receiver, it's just the transmitter, and that's fine too, because what I've discovered is I wasn't using the microphones because using the receiver was clunky for me. Especially when I'm filming by myself, it's much easier to just click on the microphone to my shirt, and then when I'm doing post-production I can sync the audio from the camera that I'm using with the microphone that I'm using, and it works a treat, actually. Alright, so this is the carrying case. This holds everything. And this is the gizmo. So, obviously I'm going to have to get busy reading directions and figuring out how to use this, but we'll just go through and show you what's in the package. So here's the little microphone. This one is apparently Bluetooth, which I'm not sure I'm going to use the Bluetooth function. I got to read up on it. I may end up using one of my existing microphones as my primary. We'll see how that goes. What do we got here? This is, what is this? What is this? Oh, this is an extra battery. It comes with one battery as part of the camera, but the creator bundle gives you an extra battery. This is a miniature tripod, which may well never get used. I have another one like this that hardly ever gets used. So we're going to just stick that back in its case. And this is, I think, the accessory base. Very well packaged, by the way. Everything is. And this is a much better carrying case than the one that came with either of my two drones. So that's nice. Oh, that's the clip for the microphone. That doesn't need to be separated. This is... Oh, this is the wide-angle lens that comes as part of the creator kit. And Rob says he doesn't have the wide-angle lens, so that's going to be an interesting comparison, I think, for us to see how much more we get from that. Oh, and I'm guessing quite a bit, actually, just looking through it. Alright, so we're going to have to figure out how that gets attached. And I'm doing this without glasses on, so I can't really read the writing on stuff, read the details and so forth. Here's the charging cable, which will work for both the microphone and the camera. And then here's the dead cat. What's a dead cat, you might ask? Why would there be a dead cat? Okay, so here's the thing. Ooh, this one has a different fitment than my other ones. So the dead cat, it's soft and furry. It's soft and furry like a cat. And they call it a dead cat because it kind of resembles a dead cat. I don't know, to me it more resembles a dead mouse, but that's just me. Anyway, this will moderate wind noise when you're shooting outside, so it's really helpful to have a dead cat on the microphone. My other DJI set has dead cats as well, but they're a slightly different design. This one has a little spike sticking out of it, so I'll have to read up to see what that's about. And that's all that's in there. I think we've gotten everything out of the package. So with the camera, what happens is this has a USB port that will plug into this USB port, just like that. So this is just the camera and one battery. And then there's this screw-in port on the bottom where you can add this mini tripod. So you end up with something that would hold like this. Now the gimbal is still captured. Something that would hold like this, but you can also, you know, set it down on a table like this to be able to record. So I'm pretty excited about that. And then just to show you full operation, there's a little button here on the back. You press that, make sure the clips let go, and then pull the extender off. And then this is the extra battery. And same thing, you push the button to open the clips, put in the USB-C, and make sure that the battery is fully clipped on. And then same thing, you can screw the mini tripod into here. Now this just became a bigger thing to carry around. So going to be interesting to see how I do this. I'm not quite sure. Oh, there's something on the front. Oh, that must be the charging port. I'm not quite sure how this will work for me. I imagine that for the most part, when I'm out and about, I'll end up using it like this because it's easy to hold on to. And I can put the cover on and it will then fit in my pocket. I want to make sure I don't force this. Which way does this go? This way. So with the cover on, there you go. So, I mean, if I'm wearing like pants with a back pocket, I can throw this in my back pocket and I'm good with it. I think it'll be just fine. And it's designed so that the microphone will actually store. You can carry the microphone clipped on top of here. So pretty exciting. That's all of that. Okay, so that's everything that comes with the Creator Bundle. And then I bought this expansion adapter for extra money. Fortunately, not terribly expensive. Let me get a cutting gizmo out again. This time I happen to grab the knife. Try not to cut myself. And so what this does, which is pretty cool, don't need that box. And from what I've seen so far in looking at the internet, attaching this was not super intuitive to me, so it may take a hot minute, we'll see. But what happens is this unbuckles here, just like this, and this goes on. Okay, it goes on this way because what you can see is that you can still access the buttons on the front of the camera here. And then you bring this clip back, latch that in place, and then latch this in place. So what does this do for me? Well, see this little piece back here? I can now use every GoPro accessory I already have, which is very, very cool. And so that means that I can use it on the dash. I can use it with a chest mount or a helmet mount or whatever. Now with the second battery attached, it gets a little bit heavier. So I have a feeling what I might end up doing is leaving the second battery off until I deplete the first battery, then using the second battery instead of the tripod. We'll see. I'm gonna have to figure all of this out. Obviously, I got a bunch of directions to read to figure out how this thing works. And I think what I'll do is, at the very end of this video, I'll give you a little sample of my first shooting with my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. All right, let me get busy reading directions. Here's our first sample. This is being recorded using just the native lens, and as you can see, it's got a pretty good field of view. I actually have the battery, both the extra battery and the tripod, sitting on the counter in the kitchen, which is, 2.5 feet away from me. But I love my little tiny home, and you get a different view of this, which might be kind of cool. So we'll see how that works out. My notebook's open because I'm in the middle of editing this video, and I just thought I'd share with you what this looks like. So now I'm going to go ahead and pop on the wide-angle lens, and we'll see what the difference is. So here we are with the wide-angle lens engaged, and this is supposed to, I think it increases the field of view to 108 degrees, but we should get a real clear idea of just how much more view we get. I have not moved the camera from the location where it was previously, so we're going to check that out. And I'm going to say, as always, thank you so much for watching my videos. I truly appreciate it. I'm not sure what order things are going to come out in. I've had kind of an exciting week. I've got a whole video about that I need to get edited and uploaded as well. Yeah, I'm really excited. Let me know what you think about the camera. Let me know what you think about the unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.